Vega del Colorado. Tucked away in the tranquil hills of Vega del Colorado, this elegant villa isn't just a home, it's where your next chapter begins. On the edge of Nueva Andalusia, embraced by Benahavís, each day feels special under the gentle Andalusian sun. Step through the doors into a home filled with warmth, where Andalusian tradition meets contemporary style. Every corner invites you to relax, enjoy, and create cherished memories. Family and friends gather in a kitchen that is the heart of the home, designed for meals that bring everyone together. The cozy winter lounge offers a peaceful end to the day, a home perfect for celebrating life with those who matter most. Mornings here start with breathtaking sea views from your own private sanctuary. The spacious master suite is a retreat of tranquility, and each guest room offers comfort and charm, ideal for welcoming friends and family. The lower floor is designed for fun, relaxation, and connection. Whether enjoying movie nights, hosting gatherings, or simply unwinding after a busy day, this versatile space brings everyone together. Outdoors, life is vibrant and inviting. Children can play freely in the lush garden, friends gather around the pool, and the scent of fruit trees fills the air. Every day feels like a celebration. It's the essence of Mediterranean living, right in your backyard. This welcoming villa offers 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, double garage, and extensive landscape grounds perfect for both privacy and entertaining. Discover a life filled with happiness, comfort, and Andalusian charm. Your story starts here, in Vega del Colorado.